So now what I need to do, I need to come down and sand this button by hand and get it the way I want it. First thing I have to do is I have to protect my fingers because I'm going to be sanding. And my thumb. I can get some more light down here for you. It's a little better. Can you see that square? Let's see. Yeah, you got a good line on it. Gonna come here. Alright, so now my fingertips are protected to a certain extent. This will be supported by a drill bit. Like that. Okay? And in this instance, I'm going to tape it just because I want to. I don't want it sliding around on me too much while I do this. So I'll just tape it together. Okay, so the first thing we got to do is I have to remove that round chip that was left, and in this case there's a lot of it, so I'm going to do it with this. Okay, so now that chit is out. Now I want a nice round smooth feel to this whole thing. And I'm going to do that by hand. Do that back. And see, it's just by hand. Now you understand why I need my fingers and thumb protected. It's starting to smooth out. So I'm twisting so that I'm sanding this thing smooth in a very... See, I just have that little line left there. There's not much left. And I'll just keep on doing this. See? Okay. There's just a hairline squiggle there. I want that off. Because this will be painted with clear coat, and I don't want anything showing here. I want a nice smooth presentation to the hand, which this now offers, see? Great. So now I take this, which is finishing paper. Great. And then I have to put an end finish on it that's like a hand finish that's like that. Great. Isn't that nice? Now this is 500. And at this point, I do it with my hands. And that's how I get the satin look, see? By hand. Isn't that beautiful? It's perfect. So now it's ready to be painted. After I clean it. Throw away the gloves. Put on some protective stuff. Go out, put it on a wooden stick. Oh, you know what? I see a line here. I see a line. I'm not done. I got a little line. Better get rid of that line. Just a microscopic. That's kind of why you want to always check, 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 check. It's like a jewel. And then, you know what we're going to do again, right? We're going to take it, and we're going to do it by hand. That's what gives that beautiful satin look, is the working it by hand. And that is the look I like. Twirl, swirl, satiny. Very, very nice. I'm going to come here for my final one, which is the smoothest part of the sandpaper here. And now this is so fine that I could polish it with the paper. But I don't really want to do that, you know? Now, let's remove the tape like this from the button. Yep. Great. There's the button. And off comes the tape. Right like that. Drill bit goes back in its holder like that. The gloves, one of the things I love about rubber gloves is that, see how my hands didn't get ruined? Because I covered them with the gloves. Time to show you the button prior to paint. Great. Like a little jewel. All that work for that, huh? All at work for that. Time to paint.